Hello everyone. So here's the next question. Question number 139. Following solutions were prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentrations. A. 60 ml of M by 10 HCl plus 40 ml M by 10 NaOH. B. 55 ml M by 10 HCl plus 45 ml M by 10 NaOH. C. 75 ml M by 5 HCl plus 25 ml M by 5 NaOH. D. 100 ml M by 10 HCl plus 100 ml M by 10 NaOH. pH of which one of them will be equal to 1? Option number 1 C, option number 2 D, option number 3 A, option number 4 B. So as you can see that the option number D is directly incorrect one, because here it is mixing 100 ml of HCl and 100 ml of NaOH, which is not correct, as we have the solution of total solution of 100 ml. As there is total volume equal to 100 ml. This is the total volume, 100 ml. Now the number of m mole of HCl, number of m mole of HCl, which can be found out by multiplying 75 into m by 5, which and after multiplying we will get as 15 m mole, 15 m, and we can write it in another way as 1 minute, as 15 capital M. It is also the m mole, and same for the NaOH. Same for the NaOH. We will multiply 25 into m by 5, and after multiplying we will get 5 m mole. Okay, so as you can see that the 5 m mole of NaOH will neutralize 5 m mole of HCl, so the amount of HCl will remain 10 m mole. 10 m mole. Okay, 10 m mole will remain. So for finding the pH, what is the formula for the finding the pH? pH can be found out by the formula minus log 0.1 m. This is the formula, and this is the 10 m for the HCl. 10 m of HCl is remaining, so it will be break. So the H plus is, so the H plus is broken down by dividing by the 10 m mole by 100 milliliter. After doing this, we will get as, for the amount of HCl, get it as 0.1 m, and we will put 0.1 in place of the H plus ion, and so it is also mentioned will be option number 1, C option. So the correct option is C solution, option number 4. Okay, thank you.